What if I told you that thousands of seniors around the world are waking up pain-free, moving with ease, and even dancing in their 70s and 80s, not because of expensive pills or risky surgeries, but because of a simple morning ritual? A ritual so powerful that doctors in the West are finally starting to pay attention to it. Stay with me, because in this video you're about to discover the secret morning practice that could change the way you start your day and possibly add healthy, pain-free years to your life. Imagine this. You wake up, swing your legs off the bed, and ouch! Your knees feel stiff, your back feels tight, your fingers can barely move. This is not just aging, it's something called morning stiffness. Doctors know it well. Overnight, when we stop moving, our joints dry out a little. The fluid that keeps them smooth and lubricated gets thicker. It's like leaving oil in the fridge. It hardens. Add to this years of wear and tear, maybe some arthritis, and suddenly mornings become the most painful part of the day. Here's the shocking truth. Over 80% of seniors over 60 experience morning joint stiffness, and yet most are told to just live with it or take more painkillers. But what if instead of swallowing more pills, there was a way to re-oil your joints naturally each morning? That's where the ritual comes in. In many cultures, seniors don't complain of the same stiffness we see in the West. Why? Because they start their mornings differently. For example, in Japan, Okinawan elders, many of whom live past 100, begin each day with gentle joint rotations and a warm drink. In India, elders practice a short series of joint-loosening yoga moves combined with sipping warm herbal teas. In the Mediterranean, older adults often take short sunrise walks before breakfast. What do all these have in common? They wake up the joints slowly, gently, and naturally. The ritual works in two parts. Movement, gentle, slow, circular motions for ankles, knees, wrists, shoulders, and neck. These movements pump fluid back into the joints like oil into rusty hinges. Warmth. A warm drink. Herbal tea, lemon water, or even just warm water, which improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps the body wake up from the inside. Doctors now call this concept dynamic lubrication. Instead of shocking stiff joints with sudden movement, you gently prepare them. Now let's break it down into a simple practice you can follow tomorrow morning. Step 1. Wake up slowly. Don't jump out of bed right away. Instead, take a deep breath, stretch your arms above your head, and wiggle your toes. This signals your nervous system. We're waking up, but gently. Step 2. Bedside joint rotations. Sit on the edge of your bed. Start with ankle circles. Rotate your right ankle 10 times clockwise, 10 times counterclockwise. Then switch to the left. Next, knee pumps. Gently straighten one leg and bend it back like you're pedaling a slow bicycle. Do this 10 times per leg. Then move to your wrists and fingers. Open and close your fists. Roll your wrists in circles. Finally, gently rotate your shoulders and tilt your neck side to side. This whole process takes just 3 to 4 minutes, but it oils your joints and reduces stiffness dramatically. Step 3. The warm elixir. Drink 1 glass of warm water with lemon. Not cold, not hot, just warm. Why? Warm water stimulates circulation, relaxes blood vessels, and helps joints flush out waste products that build up overnight. Optional, add a pinch of turmeric or ginger. Both are natural anti-inflammatories. As step 4, light movement. Take a 5 to 10 minute walk inside your home or outside in the fresh morning air. This pumps synovial fluid, the natural lubricant of joints, through your body. Think of it as charging your battery for the day. Now, some of you might be wondering, does this really work, or is it just another morning gimmick? Let's look at the science. Synovial fluid activation. Your joints are not dry bones rubbing together. Each joint has a pocket of fluid called synovial fluid. Overnight it thickens. Gentle movement warms and thins it, so it flows easily again. Think of honey. Cold honey is hard to pour, but once it warms, it flows smoothly. Cortisol and inflammation. Cortisol, your body's natural anti-inflammatory hormone, is lowest in the morning. That's why pain feels worse then. Morning movement boosts circulation and gently raises cortisol to healthy levels, reducing inflammation. Circulation and oxygen delivery movement plus a warm drink improves blood flow. That means more oxygen and nutrients reach your joints, speeding up healing and reducing stiffness. Studies back this up. A 2019 study in the Journal of Aging Research found that seniors who practiced gentle morning routines reported 40% less joint pain within 6 weeks. Another study showed that warm hydration plus light movement reduced morning stiffness in arthritis patients by nearly half. Let me share a few inspiring examples. Case 1. The Japanese farmer in Okinawa. There's an 87-year-old farmer in Okinawa who still wakes up every morning before sunrise. His ritual? He stretches in bed, drinks a cup of warm barley tea, and then walks barefoot in his small garden for 10 minutes. Doctors who studied him found that his joint flexibility was equal to a man 20 years younger. His secret wasn't expensive medicine, it was consistency in his morning routine. Case 2. The Italian grandmother in Sardinia. In Sardinia, there's a woman in her 90s who walks to the local market every morning. Before leaving, she massages her knees with olive oil and drinks warm lemon water. She says, "If I stop moving in the morning, my body will stop forever." Her ritual kept her independent, strong, and pain-free long after most of her peers were struggling. Case 3. An American senior in his 70s. A man in Florida shared his story online. He had arthritis so bad he struggled to get out of bed. Instead of giving up, he tried a morning ritual, slow stretches, warm ginger tea, and 5 minutes of chair yoga. Within 2 months, his pain levels dropped by 50% and he was back to playing with his grandkids. Moral of the story, whether you live in Japan, Italy, or America, the principle is the same. Your joints love warmth, movement, and gentle care in the morning. But here's the problem. Many seniors unknowingly sabotage their joints every morning. Let's reveal the 3 most common mistakes. Mistake 1. Rushing out of bed. Jumping up suddenly stiffens joints and increases the risk of falls. Always warm up in bed first. Mistake 2. Cold breakfast drinks. Many people drink cold milk or chilled juice in the morning. Cold liquids can actually tighten muscles and slow circulation. Switch to warm or room temperature drinks. Mistake 3. Sitting too long after waking. Some seniors wake up, sit in a chair, and watch TV or scroll their phone for an hour. Joints become even stiffer if not moved within the first 30 minutes of waking. Remember, motion is lotion. Fixing these small mistakes can be the difference between a stiff, painful morning and a pain-free, energized start to your day. So far, we've talked about stretching, warmth, and gentle movement. But there are 2 extra rituals that many seniors overlook, and they make a huge difference. Breathing for pain relief. When you wake up, sit comfortably and take 5 deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Why? Deep breathing oxygenates your blood, reduces stress hormones, and signals your nervous system to relax. Studies show controlled breathing can actually reduce the brain's perception of pain by 20–30%. Morning self-massage. Rub your palms together to create warmth, then gently massage your knees, shoulders, or lower back. This increases blood circulation and lubricates joints naturally. In traditional Japanese and Chinese culture, seniors practice this daily, almost like brushing their teeth. The warmth of your own hands is often more powerful than any cream or pill. And just imagine, You haven't even had breakfast yet, but your joints already feel lighter, warmer, and more flexible. That's the magic of combining stretching, breathing, and self-massage. Now let's move to the kitchen, because what you eat in the morning can either heal your joints or make them worse. Best morning foods for joint health. Warm oatmeal with berries and walnuts. Oats reduce inflammation. Walnuts give omega-3 fatty acids for joint lubrication. Berries add antioxidants that fight aging. Turmeric plus. Ginger tea. Both are natural anti-inflammatories. A warm cup in the morning can calm joint swelling better than many over-the-counter pills. Boiled eggs or yogurt with flaxseed protein helps repair cartilage. Flaxseed provides omega-3s to reduce stiffness. Foods to avoid in the morning: sugary donuts, white bread, or processed cereals. They spike inflammation. Cold sodas or juices tighten muscles and worsen stiffness. A simple rule: if your breakfast is warm, colorful, and natural, your joints will thank you all day. Rituals work even better when you add a few small lifestyle changes. Morning sunlight, 10-15 minutes. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which strengthens bones and reduces joint inflammation. Seniors in sunny regions like Sardinia and Okinawa have far fewer cases of arthritis. Gentle walking after breakfast. Just 5-10 minutes of slow walking after eating improves blood flow. It prevents stiffness from coming back and keeps your digestion healthy too. Stay hydrated. Joints need lubrication. A glass of warm water in the morning acts like oil for your cartilage. Add a slice of lemon. This reduces acidity and inflammation. And posture check. Many seniors unknowingly worsen joint pain with bad sitting posture. Simple fix: keep shoulders relaxed, back straight, and avoid long hours in one position. And these tweaks are simple, but when combined with your morning ritual, they transform your entire day. Now let's put everything together into a simple 15-minute ritual plan. Minute 1 to 2, drink a glass of warm lemon water. Minute 3-5, deep breathing plus palm warm-up. Minute 6 to 10, gentle stretching, arms, shoulders, knees, ankles. Minute 11-13, self-massage of stiff joints. Minute 14-15, enjoy turmeric ginger tea or a warm oatmeal breakfast. That's it. Just 15 minutes every morning, and you'll feel your joints getting stronger, your stiffness melting away, and your energy rising. So the secret isn't in expensive treatments or dozens of pills. It's in your daily habits, a small morning ritual that resets your joints naturally. If you found this helpful, share it with a loved one who suffers from joint pain. And if you'd like more health secrets for seniors, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because your best years can still be ahead of you.